Have you ever wondered how the vast pineapple fields in the United States became a vibrant symbol of agricultural ingenuity and technological prowess? Each year, millions of pineapples are not merely a harvest. They represent a complex symphony of data, advanced techniques, and diligent human labor, a truly remarkable model of agricultural production. Join me as we explore the sprawling pineapple plantations of Hawaii, Florida, and California, where every stage, from cultivation to harvest and processing, demonstrates the transformative power of modern agricultural technology in shaping the American pineapple industry. Are you ready for an unexpected journey of discovery? In the United States, Hawaii, Florida, and California emerge as the three leading pineapple production hubs. While each state possesses distinct climatic conditions, their collective goal is to cultivate pineapple varieties that achieve superior quality in the global market. In Hawaii, mineral-rich black basalt soil nourishes the pineapple plants with the ancient energy of volcanoes. Florida, with its humid tropical climate and consistent afternoon rains, serves as a haven for sweet, golden varieties. Meanwhile, California offers fertile alluvial lands, where modern technology and agricultural science harmoniously converge. With approximately 15,000 acres under cultivation, the U.S. pineapple industry, though smaller than other major fruit crops like oranges or apples, stands out for its high yield and exceptional product quality, securing a significant competitive edge in the market. American farmers have mastered the art of listening to the soil, leveraging climate data and drip irrigation technology to maintain optimal moisture levels year-round. Across the vast expanse of these golden fields, millions of pineapple plants grow in meticulous rows, as if arranged by an unseen hand. This is not merely an image of a developed agricultural sector. It is a testament to the philosophy of modern agricultural technology, where human intellect and nature combine to create bountiful, sustainable, and proud harvests. And it is from these very golden fields that the story of technology begins. So, what truly makes a perfect pineapple? Climate, technology, or the skilled hands and minds of American farmers? The pineapple season in the United States typically commences in mid-February, when soil and air temperatures begin to rise, creating favorable conditions for new plantings across farms in Florida, California, and Hawaii. Prior to this, farmers meticulously prepare each plot. The soil is tilled to a fine texture, weeds are removed, and a layer of biological agents is applied to protect nascent roots from pathogens. Young pineapple plantlets, carefully selected for robust vitality, are separated from their mother plants. Farmers firmly believe that healthy seedlings are the cornerstone of a successful harvest. Each acre will accommodate approximately 11,000 pineapple plants, spaced uniformly to ensure ample room for development. During planting, a small amount of growth stimulant solution is often sprayed to encourage deeper root penetration, firm anchorage in the soil, and efficient nutrient absorption. This is a critical step for the pineapple plants to withstand the heat and dryness of the summer months. Although pineapples are drought tolerant, farmers maintain a consistent watering schedule, typically once a week, understanding that stable moisture is key to achieving perfect sweetness. Throughout the entire process, from planting to maturity, farmers closely monitor soil conditions, rainfall, and plant health. While modern technology supports many aspects, at this stage, their discerning eyes and years of experience remain pivotal in accurately identifying the plant's needs for water and nutrients. Every step taken among the straight rows of pineapples is the culmination of years of accumulated knowledge and a deep understanding between humanity and the land. Everything begins simply, yet hidden within it is a long journey of patience. And have you ever wondered how long it takes for these tiny pineapple plants to produce the golden fruits we see on our tables every day? As the pineapple plants establish deep roots in the soil, American farmers transition from mere cultivators to intricate ecosystem managers, entering the most critical phase of the growing season, caring for and sustaining the lives of millions of crops. This is where modern agriculture technology is not just a supportive tool, but a silent companion, helping them better listen to and understand every subtle fluctuation of nature, from the breath of the soil to the signals of each leaf. The pineapple plant, with its resilient nature, is renowned for its drought tolerance. However, for plump pineapples to achieve their ideal sweetness and aroma, they require a precise irrigation regimen, specifically about 1.2 inches of water per week. To achieve this level of sophistication, many advanced farms in Florida and California, the capitals of American pineapples, deploy smart irrigation systems as a complex neural network regulating water delivery in real time. Hundreds of tiny moisture sensors embedded deep within the soil continuously transmit data to a central server. Here, agricultural engineers tirelessly analyze every number, every graph, adjusting water flow down to the smallest sections, even to individual rows of plants, ensuring not a single drop is wasted while still providing ample nourishment. Meanwhile, in Hawaii, a paradise island blessed with abundant natural rainfall, the cultivation philosophy takes on a different hue, prioritizing green agriculture technology. Farmers here don't merely embrace tropical downpours, they learn to tame them. They maximize the utilization of atmospheric moisture and natural water flows, build rainwater harvesting systems, and employ soil conservation farming techniques to minimize erosion. This significantly reduces dependence on artificial irrigation systems, conserving energy and protecting the island's precious natural resources. Fertilization, an indispensable part of the art of growing pineapples, has also been elevated into a refined scientific process thanks to precision farming. No longer is fertilizer scattered indiscriminately based on general experience. Instead, the amount is calculated with gram-level accuracy for each specific area of the farm. Based on soil sample analyses, the plant's nutritional needs at each growth stage, and even weather forecasts, machinery distributes fertilizer with pinpoint precision. This helps plants absorb maximum nutrients without causing residue buildup or soil pollution. Many farms also prioritize organic fertilizers, combining them with thick straw mulching techniques and intercropping beneficial herbs. These methods naturally enrich the soil, maintain a balanced soil ecosystem, encourage the growth of beneficial microorganisms, and limit weeds and pests, creating a closed, sustainable cycle. Parallel to remarkable technological advancements, it is undeniable that the calloused hands and accumulated experience of farmers, honed over generations, remain a decisive factor. Every early morning, when dew still glistens on the leaves, they quietly walk the fields, not merely looking, but feeling each vibrant green or slightly yellowing leaf, checking soil moisture with the intuitive touch of their hands, and listening to the soil's breath carried by each gentle breeze. This is more than just work. It is a profound fusion of humanity and nature, uniting millennia-old cultivation traditions with modern agricultural engineering, creating a unique symphony in the pineapple fields. In a world where machinery grows increasingly intelligent, perhaps what makes American agricultural technology distinct is that it was never created to replace humans entirely. Instead, it serves as a gigantic analytical brain, an untiring pair of keen eyes, and relentless steel arms, helping humans do better what they have done for hundreds of years: care for, cultivate, and honor Mother Earth. Technology becomes a bridge, enabling farmers to make smarter, more efficient decisions, while staying deeply rooted in an understanding of natural cycles. And have you ever wondered, in an era of massive data, satellite monitoring, and absolute automation, what still gives American pineapples their distinctive sweet flavor? Is it merely advanced technology or a privileged climate? Or is it truly the passionate heart, the unceasing dedication, and the profound love of the farmers, permeating every fiber of the soil and every drop of water, that transform pineapple cultivation into a crystallization of human ingenuity and nature's generosity? After nearly 2 years of anticipation, the pineapple fields in Hawaii, Florida, and California enter their most awaited phase, harvest season. Under the scorching summer sun, millions of golden pineapples simultaneously emerge, signaling the prime time for farmers. But here, harvesting is not merely picking fruit. It is a perfect fusion of human effort, skill, and modern agricultural technology, a symphony where tradition meets innovation. Before harvesting, agricultural engineers meticulously check the ripeness and sweetness of the pineapples. They use handheld optical refractometers to determine the natural sugar content, Brix index, within the fruit. Once the Brix level reaches the ideal threshold, a signal is sent, marking the commencement of a large-scale harvesting operation. Across the farms, over 3,400 workers, predominantly from Mexico, begin their labor. Despite the support of agricultural machinery, the majority of pineapples are still hand-picked, as human hands remain the most precise tool for assessing the ripeness of each individual fruit. Each worker can harvest thousands of pineapples daily. They move along the rows, swiftly cutting the stem with specialized knives, then carefully placing the pineapples onto mobile conveyor belts. These mobile conveyors are a key component of agricultural engineering, designed to reduce manual labor, increase harvesting speed, and minimize bruising. From there, the pineapples are transported to collection areas, where refrigerated trucks await to move them immediately to processing plants on the same day. Across the sprawling fields, the harvest scene is both bustling and almost sacred. The sound of cutting pineapples and the hum of machinery blend into the distinct melody of a golden season. Farmers understand that each harvested pineapple is not just a product of the land, but a testament to the deep bond between humans and nature. As the sun slowly sets behind the hills, millions of pineapples have been loaded onto trucks, filling transportation routes. Their journey is far from over, for immediately after leaving the fields, they will enter the next stage, where advanced processing technology helps preserve nature's full flavor. And you? When you think of pineapples, how do you prefer to enjoy them? As a refreshing juice, a tropical salad, or fragrant grilled pineapple slices at a summer dinner?